What's the meaning of charm school? Charm school. Charm school.
Charm school. Charm school. Charm school refers to a program or institution aimed at improving an individual's social skills, manners and overall demeanor in order to make them more appealing to others. The ultimate goal is to increase one's chances of success in interpersonal relationships, often in the context of business or dating. Participants learn how to present themselves with grace, poise, and confidence, as well as how to communicate effectively and build rapport with others. The result should be a noticeable improvement in one's social capital and ability to connect with people on a deeper level.